Hello dear friends, welcome to the 36th International Furniture 2025 exhibition. You're at the ARISTO stand and today you'll see our bestsellers and of course our latest launches. Let's begin the tour, come with me. Let me introduce the Grace interior partition system. These doors feel light and airy even though they can be made truly large. There is no floor track at all, and the profile is genuinely minimalist. Just 12 millimeters wide, the doors feature soft closers and a sequential synchronized opening mechanism. Attention, these doors are not fixed to the floor in any way. This year, we realized a new solution. Special bottom rollers with no floor fixation. Thanks to this mechanism, the doors can open in either direction, for example to the left. The panels line up perfectly, moving profile to profile. And the same doors can also open to the right. You can position the doors exactly the way you want. Now you're looking at the brand new AQUARIUM system. It's a cabinet that's transparent on all four sides. Notice the vertical aquarium profile, external or internal for partitions. Come with a built-in groove for lighting on both sides. Inside we can equip the cabinet with edge shelves. Shelf lighting is also available on 1, 2, 3 or all four sides around the perimeter. We can also add pull-out elements, for example, for our elegant storage collection. The fronts are tall, edge max. The profile stays minimalist. The maximum height of one front, and therefore the entire AQUARIUM cabinet system is 2,600 millimeters. The maximum width of each front is up to 600 millimeters. And the doors won't slam because the hinges feature damping and three-way adjustment. The external side profile of the AQUARIUM system is fitted with adjustable feet at the bottom. The adjustment range is up to 25 millimeters. Space zoning is extremely popular right now. Here you see our bestseller that solves this task with ease, the 4-in-1 system. We can create an interior partition with no bottom track, and if needed, build a room within a room. This year we upgrade the multi-sequential synchronized opening mechanism, allowing several rows of doors to move synchronously in one direction. The multi-sequential synchronized mechanism works for both opening and closing. Another new feature is compatibility with the Smart Vertical Profile. Previously, only the Fusion Vertical Profile could be used. Today, it's an additional option with Smart. Also, note the corner profile. It locks to the vertical profile and forms a perfect corner for zoning and for creating a room within a room. This is the QB frame and modular system. These modules can be floor-standing, wall-mounted or even suspended from the ceiling. The system is truly unique. At its core is patented universal connector. Our cube can join 2, 3, 4, 5 or even 6 profiles together. No other special connectors are required. That significantly reduces purchasing risks and makes installation easier. The profile itself is reinforced inside with stiffening ribs. Very convenient. During assembly, the fittings won't rotate. Only the QB system allows lighting both vertically along the uprights and horizontally. A dedicated LED profile is available. Panel shelves, glass shelves and section inserts – all of this is possible in the QB system. Let's move on. Here is the stand dedicated to our facade system. It's a versatile versatile aluminum frame for hinged fronts. The profile can be minimalist, with a visible width of just 6 mm. This is our narrowest option, the 832 profile. The profile can also be wider when we want to highlight a beautiful brushes, textured finish. This is the 836 profile. Another option is pure minimalism. The edge system on concealed hinges, with externally mounted fronts, soft closing, and great flexibility in front height and width. Here, a projection profile replaces the handle, making the fronts very comfortable to open and close. Or you can go completely handleless. With a minimalist profile, the front opens with a push. Infill options include any glass or mirror 4 mm thick. For those who are not yet familiar with ARISTO system, I'll show a few examples to give you a sense of our product range. Nova is a bottom rolling sliding system. Its key feature is the vertical profile, only 5 mm wide, while the infill can be up to 16 mm thick. The top track is hidden behind the doors, creating that signature floor-to-ceiling door effect. Here you see the 4-in-1 system, folding doors with no bottom track. They are perfect for zoning or for narrow openings where sliding doors are inconvenient, because they would only open half of the opening. The edge system with concealed hinges hides the hidden rails, rectangular edge rails as well as the oval ellipse rail, available in various finishes. And of course, edge shelves, easy to integrate into any furniture project, with or without lighting. Below you can see the 4-in-1 system with a synchronized mechanism that opens the doors in a single plane. It can also be made with a soft closer, and for privacy we add a lock. The 4-in-1 system features a pivot mechanism with 3-way adjustment. The standard system also uses a pivot mechanism with 3-way adjustment. Here is the 4-in-1 system with sequential synchronized opening and closing. The panels move smoothly, one after another, to the side. The Fusion vertical profile is used here, and the Smart vertical profile is also compatible. This is Grace in a compact format. And here is the same sequential synchronized mechanism with an exceptionally smooth glide. The hardware is innovative, and the doors can be made even in large sizes. And we wrap up the B2B mini stand with the Slim Life system. The narrow profile is just 9.7 mm wide, but notice how it tapers to 5 mm, making the system look even more clean and minimalist. Now let's move to our ARISTO wardrobe system zone. This year we made a real breakthrough. We completely refreshed the decor line. The fixed decor shelves, frames, decor rails, and other elements are now made from natural solid oak. It's a highly wear-resistant material, resistant to abrasion and decay, and suitable even for high-humidity areas such as bathrooms and laundry rooms. All elements are sealed with a clear protective finish. This allows us to confidently say it's a true premium level, while the pricing policy remains the same, which is, of course, great news for you, our valued partners. The pull-out elements come with soft closers. Frames with baskets and concealed soft-close runners are installed at the bottom, using haptic hardware. The trouser rack is set in a solid oak frame and also features soft closing. Our accessory drawer is divided into compartments for different purposes, finished in eco-leather and velvet, and also features soft closing. On the top you can see a shelf made of tough safety glass, tinted in a bronze tone. If you wish, you can replace the knob handle with a similar option. Below, we placed pull-out frames with fronts made from solid oak. The baskets can be different heights: 185 mm, 85 mm, or 285 mm. All frames come with soft closers. Oak has a wonderful tactile feel. You just want to touch it. These elements will elevate any wardrobe space. And at the same time, we preserved the signature strength of the ARISTO wardrobe system. The new solid oak line is available in 3 finishes: light wood, white wood, and dark wood. Here you can see an example of combining our shelving system with the wardrobe system. Here, the uprights for the elements are not mounted traditionally on the wall like a standard wardrobe. Instead, they can zone the space and be fixed from floor to ceiling with a wide height adjustment range. At the same time, the key advantage remains: you can move elements up or down from one section to another, thanks to the perforation on the uprights. The uprights are still just like our mesh elements, so they're strong and durable, and the system can be reconfigured many times. ARISTO keeps getting better every day for you. And here is a new system, an office partition. It's an excellent solution for zoning in a modern office style. Partitions can be large with floor-to-ceiling fixing. The system is swing with a transom. Order in your home and beyond. This is our profile solution. In this wardrobe, we presented the ARISTO Elegant Storage Collection. The wardrobe is equipped with pull-out elements with soft closers and conceal runners. The elements extend fully. This is an accessory drawer. It features multiple compartments, an eco-leather base, cushions for watches and bracelets, a section for rings and earrings, and a lidded compartment. The next pull-out element is a shelf. The base is finished in eco-leather. A pull-out basket, 186 mm high, an ergonomic size, not too small, not too big, truly comfortable for everyday use. The basket is finished in eco-leather. The stitching is neat and even, with no loose threads. The next pull-out element is incredibly adaptable: a trouser rack. The holders are removable. You can take them off, reposition them, and change the spacing. The tops are rubberized, so trousers or shorts won't slip. All pull-out elements in the Elegant Storage Collection come in 3 widths options, so you can create a truly comfortable, elegant wardrobe. We equipped this section with organizers. Each organizer has a handy tab to pull it out, and you can also use any organizer separately, placing it on any shelf or on a wardrobe island. Inside, the organizers are lined with velvet, and the eco-leather finish wraps all sides. You'll also notice our logo and neat stitching around the perimeter. Inside the drawers, we use multifunctional trays. They come in different sizes and with interchangeable inserts for necklaces and pendants, rings, various jewelry, or simply open compartments. All trays can be easily removed. Notice, eco-leather finishing is applied on all sides. There are wide trays and narrow trays. All of them share the same height and depth, so you can mix and match like a set, building the exact combination the customer wants, depending on what they need most. And you can also use the trays on their own, simply placing them on a shelf. We completed this wardrobe with edge shelves with lightning, rectangular edge handle rails, and the narrowest profile in our facade system, the 832 profile. Its visible width is just 6 millimeters. Inside, you'll find hidden shoe shelves. This is a fully featured, highly functional wardrobe you'll enjoy using every day. These 4 exhibition days flew by in what felt like a single wonderful moment. Our innovations truly impressed the visitors because we create genuinely innovative products. Many thanks to the organizers for new connections and valuable business contacts, and of course, for meeting you, our dear partners. See you again soon!